Hello future engineers, there is another video in structural analysis about the analysis of statically indeterminate beams by multiple methods, and in this video I'm going to present the three moment equations. So solution by three moment equations. By three moment equations, determine the reactions at A. E is 200 gigapascals and I 500 times 10 to the 6. So remember the principle by three moment equation, because this is a fixed end support, we have to extend this by supposedly imaginary, transform this into a pin support, then extend it with another pin support with length negligible. As shown, there's no load between A prime and A. So this would be the diagram, and the intensity of the loading, if we choose this as x, is 5.4x. Intensity as to x equals 27 as to 5. So that's why that's 5.4x. 27 over 5 is 5.4. So for three moment equation, moment at A prime is 0 plus 2 times MA, quantity 0 plus 6 over 1.5, because moment of inertia is 1.5, plus MB times 6 over 1.5, plus the value of 6 area 1A over I1 L1 is 0. There's no load between A prime and A. Then plus 6 area 2B over I2 L2. This is it. It's WL cube over 4EI. So W 4I rather, W27 6 cube over 4I is 1.5, then equals 6EI quantity HA prime over L1 plus HB over L2. Since these are supports that do not move or settle, so the right side will just be 0. Simplifying, this is equal to 8MA plus 4MB equals negative 972. Call that equation 1. We then apply three-moment equation on spans ABC. So MA times 6 over 1.5 plus 2MB quantity 6 over 1.5 plus MC over 7, MC times 7 over 1 rather, plus MC times 7 over 1 plus W27 6 cube over 4I. This is it. Then for this loading, we have to integrate dp 5.4x dx. Then b is x plus 2, then divided by L 7 times 1, because moment of inertia is 1. Quantity is 7 square minus b square. So 7 square minus b is x plus 2 quantity square. Then equals 6EI quantity HA over L1 plus HB over L2. So that's still be 0. Right side. These are supports that do not settle. So simplifying, we have 4MA plus 22MB plus 7MC equals, transpose this to the right, combine values, negative 25533 over 14. Call this equation 2. Then we apply three moment equations on the remaining spans B, C, D. The moment at D, remember, is negative 18 times 1 times half of 1.5. So that's negative 9 kilonewton meter. So for portion BCD, MB times 7 over 1 plus 2 times MC times 7 over 1 plus 5 over 2 plus MD, which is negative 9, then times 5 over 2 plus the value of 6 area 1A over I1 L1, integral of 5.4 dx, 5.4x dx. Our A would now be 5 minus x, this distance here, then over L7 quantity 7 square minus A square, 7 square minus 5.4 minus x quantity square, then plus, for this loading there are two. So for 25 kilonewton loads, 25 times B, 25 times 3 over L over I. So 25 times 3 over 5 times 2 2 is the moment of inertia, relative moment of inertia. Quantity 5 square minus b square. Then for the integral, imagine that x is from the strip to d, that's x, so that's b also. Integral of 18 dx, b is x, then divided by L, 5, moment of inertia 2, quantity L square minus B square. So 5 square minus X square, then equals 0, right side. So the value of this integral is 18675 over 28. This one is 120. This one is 166.05. Take note there is another constant here. So simplifying 7 MB plus 19 MC equals negative 32568 over 35. So solving these equations 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously, we will get the following results. So MA is negative 92.944 kilonewton meter, MB negative 57.113 kilonewton meter, and MC negative 27.933 kilonewton meter. We then apply this to this beam here, then analyze the reactions at A, and the moment that A is already known, AX is 0, of course. So AX is 0. This is the moment that they positive clockwise, but because it is negative, it is supposed to be counterclockwise. But I treat that as clockwise, but the sign is taken. MB is negative, so positive moment at B is counterclockwise. Remember the smiley face. But because this is negative, so it is clockwise as shown. Those are the reactions. So considering AB, we can analyze AY by taking moment about B equals 0. So AY times 6 plus negative 92.944 plus 57.113 equals 27 times 6 times 3. Solving for AY is equal to 86.972 kilonewtons. We then summarize the answers. AX 0, AY 86.972 kilonewtons, and moment at A is negative 92.944 kilonewton meter. So that's it for this video, and because of the presentations, if there's no method to be applied, because I solved this by multiple methods, so it is the three moment equations that has the shortest solution. That's it.